What's up, guys? Justin Bonnet, Eco Auto Clean, up here with our Super Polymer Go Green Get Yellow waterless car wash. Doing this black Lexus on this beautiful sunny day in Atlanta, Georgia. We're gonna, as you can see, we've already done the passenger side of the hood, so now we're gonna do the left side, driver's side of the hood. What you want to do is you fold your microfiber. You want to spray it down, make sure it's nice and wet, and then take the Super Go Green Get Yellow Super Polymer waterless formula. Spray your hood down. Then you just take your wet one, and then you come behind it with your dry one. And then get the hood nice and clean. And that's how you get that nice, beautiful shine. And you'll see, using these Eco Auto Clean waterless products, the shine will last for a good, 2 weeks or so. We'll having to do it again. Once again, this is our Go Green Get Yellow Super Polymer Formula. EcoAutoCleanATL.com.